right, y'all, we're back out in Waxahachie, Texas, and we're in the Wooded Creek subdivision. This one, it has no HOA, so many of y'all have been looking for a nice, beautiful new home on acreage without an HOA, so this home would match that criteria for sure. So it is a nice, beautiful home. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, with a 2-car garage. It's all on 1.3 acres, and it's 2,947 square foot, and it's currently priced at $650,000. And as you can see, there's nice big mature trees in the backyard there, so you've got a lot of privacy here, and it's on a cul-de-sac to boot, so you're not going to get a lot of traffic in front of this house either. And it's just about 15 minutes from downtown Waxahachie, really close. You could commute into Dallas within 30 minutes, and then into Fort Worth within 45 minutes up 287. So let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the home. All right, so here we are on the inside of this beautiful brand new build home. Got a nice wide entryway. We've got this beautiful chandelier coming down, and then nice beautiful front door here with the frosted glass and then letting in all that natural light. That's great. And then we've got right over here, as you walk in right off of the entryway, you've got one of the 3 full baths right here, and you've got 2 sinks right here, a double vanity, got this nice mirror with the lighting in it. And then you've got a toilet with storage above, and then this tub shower combo here with these 2 niches in there, and then tiling all the way up to the ceiling. Really beautiful shower there. So this is probably the bathroom that company would use, as it's the most accessible. Got your coat closet right here. Nice big area for storage. And then the laundry room is here up front. You've got an area for your full-size washer and dryer, and then storage above. And then right here you've got a spot to bathe your animals. So I think that's a great design right here, really beautifully done, and you can put them right in there. Make sure you keep it all nice and clean, and keep your dogs or cats nice and washed. Then we've got right here, right off of the 2-car garage, we've got a nice mud bench area where you can keep things all stored away. So this is a split floor plan, and this is one of the 4 bedrooms right here. We've got a window out to the side. And then a nice closet set up in here. Got luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the home. So no carpeting in the home. And we've got the 2-car garage right here. Nice tall ceilings in the garage. Got 3 windows looking out to the front yard. Got your breaker panel over here, and then your sprinkler system for the lawn. Got some storage back there, and then a water heater tank. got bedrooms 2 and 3 over here. This one has 2 windows looking out to the front yard. And then a nice wide closet as well. Plenty of hanging space. And it's actually fairly deep as well. And these 2 bedrooms are connected with a Jack and Jill bath. So I do love the fact that there's also a double vanity in here as well. Got that same beautiful type of mirror with the lighting. And then we've got toilet right here. And then also another tub shower combo with the tiling all the way up to the ceiling. And then you got some good storage off to the side here as well. And that leads right into this other bedroom. Got a window out to the side of the home. And you can see right outside this side here, you've got a buried septic tank. This home is all electric, so there isn't any buried propane tank in this home. That's all electric. And then we've got a nice big closet in here as well, walk-in closet. And then right outside these 2 bedrooms, we've got a nice linen closet as well. The home has 10-foot plus ceilings throughout, so it was already a nice big home as is, but the higher ceilings definitely helps it feel even bigger. So got this nice beautiful marble surround fireplace and inset area for a TV. Got 3 windows looking out to a nice big back porch there. This really nice living room. I love it when it's staged, so you can really tell, you know, what type of furniture you can fit in here. And then we've got the kitchen. Lots of really good storage space in the kitchen. Got this island right here. We've got LG appliances. We've got the oven and then microwave stacked. And then we've got all the hardware installed and it's soft close cabinetry. Got a space for your refrigerator there. We've got a nice walk-in pantry here in the corner. And then got the electric LG oven and range, as well as a pot filler here. And then a vent hood, vent into the outside. You got your dishwasher there on that side with the sink as well. And then over on this side, you got 3 more windows looking out to the backyard with all those beautiful mature trees. So much privacy. Then a little dining space here as well. All right, as I mentioned, it's a split floor plan design, so the master is tucked way back here. We'll go ahead and check that out. Nice big master. 3 windows looking out to the backyard. And then we've got a similar setup to the living room. We've got the electric fireplace, a nice inlet for a TV there. Mature trees in the backyard, lots of privacy. Beautiful. This master bath is really, really pretty. Check out that walk-in shower and the tiling all the way up to the ceiling, all the way around with that standalone tub there as well. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we've got this nice big double vanity here. Lots of storage space. I love all the lighting that they put in here. It's great. You've got several body sprays and then a detached body spray there, as well as a rain shower head. And then this beautiful standalone tub. Got body sprays on that as well, the detached body spray. And then a nice window letting in natural light. And this closet, it's got so much space. Beautifully done, all ready to go. The builder's calling this country chic. I'd say that's pretty much on point. You got land, and then it's really nice and dressed up in here. You've got the toilet in here, additional storage. Let's go take a look at the back porch here. Got a nice big back porch. And you can just feel the breeze coming in off this back porch. It's just so peaceful out here. I'm not going to walk back here because of recent rain. Don't want to get mud throughout the house. Beautiful home. All right, y'all, once again, we're in Waxahachie, Texas in the Wooded Creek subdivision. Once again, it doesn't have an HOA, so for many of y'all, this would be a perfect home or perfect neighborhood to build in. So this home, it is 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms with a 2-car garage, all on 1.3 acres, and it's 2,947 square foot. And it is currently priced at $650,000. So as you can see, it's on a cul-de-sac, and you've got all these mature trees around as well. Super quiet back here, and this home is just ready to go. So if you got any questions about it, then definitely reach out to me and I can get those questions answered for you. So many of you have been reaching out and just telling me about your plans for 2026 and beyond, and I definitely appreciate that. It's been great getting to meet you, whether it be online in a virtual meeting or in person as well. So thank you all so much for watching each and every week. Once again, I am a local DFW realtor. I don't represent the builders in these videos. Every now and then I'll throw my listings on this channel as well. But you know, I can help represent you. So if you're looking to move in and around DFW, or if you are looking to move here for the very first time, I can help you with those plans. So you know, sometimes you just want to talk about the area. I've lived in this area for over 20 years, so I'm very well aware of, you know, the area and how it's growing and what's going on, and you know, the different employers in the area, what the commute looks like. So if you got questions like that, just let me know and we can talk through all of that. So once again, thank you so much for watching each and every week, and I'll see you all next week. Y'all take care.